Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first of all, just go to the Google application, and here on the down right corner tap to the more icon. Now find the settings, tap on that, and here tap to the Google Assistant. Right there, just scroll down with your finger and find the general settings. No, just here, tap here on the Hey Google and voice matches, and right here you can just turn on the Hey Google by tapping on the switcher once. So now you can say the Hey Google. Okay, tap to I agree and tap to continue. Now just wait a few seconds and your Hey Google option is activated now. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.